Hi, I'm Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and today in this video we're going to talk about duct taping your jack-o'-lantern. I know you're wondering, why would I do that? Well, you can use duct tape for a lot of different things, and we have all this fashion duct tape at most Ace stores that you can use to change the look and do something a little different. Imagine if maybe a squirrel or a rodent took some chunks out of that jack-o'-lantern and you're just not happy with the way it looks. I'll show you an easy way to transform it into something you're gonna love. Let me show you how it's done. All right, so the great thing about duct tape is there's so many different styles, and if you just wanna do something a little bit different, you can choose anything you want. I'm gonna use this zebra pattern right here. When you've got your jack-o'-lantern like this, maybe there's a marking on it, make sure that it's dry so the duct tape sticks to it. And if it's a little damp, even just wiping it off, leave it outside in the sun so that it warms up a little bit if you need it to, so that the duct tape sticks. So then really there's no kind of rhyme or reason to it. I'm gonna use scissors because I think if you tug at it, you'll find that it maybe is just harder to do. So just start taking layer after layer of the duct tape, and you can overlap as much or as little as you want on the tape. There's no rules to any of this, and you can turn it on its side, whatever you might be wanting to do. You can do multiple pieces if you want. You can extend it as I'm doing here and just lay it out there. And in a few minutes, you're gonna see how this jack-o'-lantern has a really cool look. Okay, I have to say it, I'm wild about this jack-o'-lantern, and it's easy to do. Now, for point of reference, I used about 1 roll of this duct tape to cover this average size jack-o'-lantern. Just keep that in mind. Now, if you'd like to see more fun videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Remember, you can always go to acehardware.com, and better yet, stop into one of our stores, because remember, Ace is the helpful place.